Hey guys, today we're going to solve LeetCode 1566, detect pattern of length m repeated k times. So this problem was the easy problem of today's contest, and we're given an array of integers and we need to find a pattern of length m repeated k times. So the way we're going to do this is with a for loop. We're going to write up a for loop, and in this for loop we're going to check if we can find at the current position of the array such a pattern. And if we never find such a pattern, we're just going to return false at the end. So the loop is going to go through all of the indices of the array, and it's going to stop when there's no room for such a pattern. So normally this is where you would stop at, but since we need to find a pattern starting from I with length m times k, then we can stop when there is no more room for such a pattern to exist in our array, and then we can just increment I as normal. Okay, so now we're just going to define the pattern that is starting at I with length m. So that's how we do it. We take the slice of the array starting from I with length m. This is how you get a slice of a certain length. You just take the starting index and you add the length. And we want this to be a string because we want to use the repeat method of this. So we're going to use join to transform this array into a string. And now we have the string representation of the current pattern. So now we can repeat this pattern k times by using the repeat method of the string type in JavaScript. So we take the original piece and we repeat it k times. And now we can just check if the remaining items in our array are matching this piece repeated k times. So if that's the case, we're going to return true. So if this whole piece repeated k times is equal to the array sliced at starting from I and ending at I plus m times k, because m times k is going to give us the length of the whole pattern repeated. Okay, so if this is equal to this slice, well, that's never the case because slice gives us an array, so we need to join the slice. And if this is true, then we can return true because we found a pattern repeated k times in our array. And else, just return false at the end of the loop. So I'm going to show you that it works, obviously. And that's it for now, so bye.